control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go. Ladies, can get up, 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 get up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Getting right to it, I've been dealing with really dry, brittle hair, especially my end. They've been like extremely dry and like fragile even after I've moisturized them. I use the LOC method, which is liquid or leave-in, oil, and then cream, and they've still been extremely dry. It seems like they're only getting drier and drier. The rest of my hair is also dry, but just not as dry as my ends, and they will get dry after like 2 or 3 days after moisturizing them. So I would really like to achieve like week-long moisture. I'm gonna be starting a series. Each series I'm going to pick like a specific ingredient or maybe like a technique or something to either add or remove from my hair regimen. And the first series we're gonna focus on is aloe vera. I chose aloe vera because it contains somewhere between 95 to 99% of water. And if you're dealing with dry hair, the first thing you want to go towards is water, because water is the best moisturizer. Aloe vera is able to penetrate the hair shafts, allowing it to deeply condition our follicles. It's going to be able to get that water and all that moisture really into our hair and not just on top of it. We really want it to absorb and soak into our hair, and once we seal it in, we want to just be able to just keep it there. The first way we're going to incorporate aloe vera is as a prepoo. Prepoo is just the process of conditioning your hair before you shampoo. It's supposed to create like some type of layer between your hair and the shampoo, so the shampoo doesn't strip your hair as much. So we're gonna be starting off with a fresh aloe vera leaf to cut it into equal sizes. Each size should be big enough to do your whole head, as in apply the gel to your whole head. So we only want the gel with the transparent slimy stuff on the inside. We don't want the green leafy portion. So we're gonna cut away the gel from the leafy portion on the outside, and then we're gonna put those pieces into the blender. When it's time to blend, we're going to add just a little bit of aloe vera juice, just because it'll just help aid the blending process, so it's not, you know, just harder to blend. But we're not going to blend it a lot. We want to cut holes into pieces of the aloe vera so that it's easier for the gel to seep out, because after we're going to strain it. I'm taking just a glass jar, and I cut up a piece of old like pantyhose I had, and we're gonna put all of the gel and the aloe vera into that, and then we're gonna squeeze the gel through the pantyhose, or that's basically what it is. You can use it like something called a cheesecloth or something like that. A strainer wouldn't be enough because you have to use manual force. We're just gonna keep squeezing out until we can get as much gel out as possible. Once we have that, I'm gonna transfer my gel squeeze bottle, and then we're just gonna apply this into our hair. I always apply things in my hair in sections just because it's easier to work with. We're gonna apply it all over our scalp, rub it into our scalp, and then we're gonna apply it down the length of our hair. I like to take my time and separate my hair into smaller sections and things like that, just so it evenly coats your hair. You know, natural hair is, you know, it's kind of thick and kinky, so it's hard to like, you can easily miss sections, and we want to make sure all of our hair is conditioned very well. After you apply your gel, you're also gonna apply your favorite oil. It can be like 1 oil, 2 oils. I actually have a mixture of oils in here, and I'm gonna apply that on my hair in the same way that I applied the aloe vera down the length of my hair, and then also on my scalp, and rub that in, give myself a good scalp massage. And you can see like the aloe vera and the oil, or like my hair felt so amazing and soft, and it was so shiny, and I can even detangle with the aloe vera on it. It's a really good detangler. It gives your hair a lot of slip. Actually wind up leaving that in for the rest of the day, and then I came back and rinsed it out next morning, and my hair was so soft. It was so like manageable. It felt very moisturized. The aloe vera just gave my hair such an amazing feeling, and I believe like my hair, like it really took to it. So that's gonna be our first episode of the Aloe Vera Moisture series. I'm going to have another episode next week, again on Sunday. So if you would like to see that video, make sure you subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure to like and comment. The next video and the next few videos of this month are just going to be showing you how you can incorporate aloe vera into your hair if you are also dealing with dry hair and you would like to help keep it more moisturized. And there are just a lot of steps in your hair regimen that you can just throw aloe vera in. So I'm just going to show you guys the process just to make it easier if you also want to do the same thing. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.